Ever wondered how a 24-carat gold chain is made? Let's dive into the intricate process of transforming raw gold into a stunning piece of jewelry. We'll follow the journey from raw gold ore to a beautifully crafted chain. This is a story about artistry, precision, and the enduring allure of gold. I'm excited to break down the science and the artistry behind crafting a 24-carat gold chain. Before it can be crafted into a chain, gold needs to be refined to its purest form, 24 carats. The ore undergoes rigorous processes like electrolysis or acid refining to remove impurities. These methods result in gold that's 99.9% pure, the benchmark for 24 carats. Now let's crank up the heat. The refined gold is placed in a crucible and heated in a furnace to a molten state at over 1064 degrees Celsius. It's mesmerizing to watch the solid gold transform into a radiant liquid, almost like honey. This molten gold is carefully poured into molds to create ingots or bars, the building blocks for our chain. From bars to delicate wires, this stage is all about shaping the gold. The gold bars are passed through rolling mills, compressing and elongating the metal into sheets or rods. To create the wire for our chain, the gold is drawn through progressively smaller dies in a process called wire drawing. Now the real magic begins. The drawn gold wire is fed into a chain-making machine. This machine cuts the wire into precise lengths and forms each piece into an individual link, creating the desired chain pattern. To ensure our chain holds together, each link needs to be securely joined. This can be done through soldering or laser welding, both methods creating an incredibly strong bond. After all that shaping and joining, the gold chain needs to relax a little. The chain is heated and cooled in a controlled environment, relieving any internal stress within the metal. This process ensures the chain is flexible and less likely to break or deform. Time to make that gold gleam. The chain goes through a series of polishing steps, often using a rotating machine equipped with soft brushes and polishing compounds. This buffs away any imperfections and brings out the natural luster of the gold. The result? A chain that radiates warmth and brilliance. And before our chain can be called complete, it undergoes rigorous quality control. It's inspected for any defects, ensuring each link is perfectly formed and securely joined. Finally, a 24-carat stamp or hallmark is applied, certifying the purity of the gold. This small mark represents the chain's